all about me. Let's get to know each other. When is your birthday? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, or December? My birthday is January 18th. When is your birthday? What is your favorite color? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, white, gray, or black? My favorite color is pink. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite subject? Science, reading, social studies, music, PE, language arts, math, or art? My favorite subject is social studies. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite food? Pizza, cake, hamburger, chicken nuggets, fruit, cheese, vegetables, ice cream, French fries, or mac and cheese? My favorite food is pizza, hamburger, and ice cream. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite holiday? Thanksgiving, July 4th, Halloween, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, Hanukkah, Christmas, Kwanzaa, Valentine's Day, or your birthday? My favorite holiday is Thanksgiving. What is your favorite holiday? What is your favorite hobby? Sports, video games, hiking, movies, building, the computer, art, or music? My favorite hobby are video games. What is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite pet? Dog, cat, hamster, bird, fish, guinea pig, reptile, or rabbit? My favorite pet are cats. What is your favorite pet? What is your favorite season? Spring, summer, fall, or winter? My favorite season is fall. What is your favorite season? What will I learn in Vocation Class? Vocational skills are intended to set up the student for success after secondary education. Students will learn how to prepare for a job, find a job, apply for a job, and excel at a job. Hooray! Well done! We have finished today's lesson. See you next time.